Hello, everybody. It's your boy, your mom's face's mom, and today we're gonna be doing a new series I like to call, what do I call it again? Uh, oh yeah. Drunk 3DS Repair with your mom's face's mom, or 3DS Repair while drunk with your mom's face's mom. So here we got a 3DS. As you can see, it's not looking great. There's some scratches, and it's fucked. Fucking Japanese. This came from Japan. Some retard Japanese kid probably shat on it and threw it in his dryer and tumbled it. And of course, it wouldn't be drunk 3DS repair without alcohol, which is why I'd like to take this time to thank today's sponsor, Vodka. Thank you, Vodka, for enabling my addiction. Without you, my life might be a lot better, and I'm really glad that, you can really help me out there. So let's just take a quick swig before we get started, and then we'll jump right into it. That's some good shit. So before we get started, let's just go over the tools we're going to be using. So up first, we have a Phillips head screwdriver, as you can see. That is Phillips. Focus. Okay, well, you'll have, oh, there we go. Phillips head screwdriver. Second, we have a spudger. It's in rough shape, but it does the job. Yep. And we have under this towel here some mystery tools that will help us later. Maybe. I don't even know what they are. But yeah, those should come in handy later. So all right, now let's for real just hop right into this. Okay, boys and girls, and whatever the fuck you are, step one. Yeah, okay. Step two, take the 3DS and we flip it like this so that the bottom is facing up. Then we take our Phillips head screwdriver right here. Yep. Can you guys see that? Perfect. Okay. Now, one screw opened or unscrewed. Wait, did I already open this? Oh, okay. Fantastic. So after that's off, you're going to take the battery out here. Oh, I'm so sorry. I forgot to show you guys what's wrong with this. Here. Let me put this back on. Flip it up. Okay, so it looks fine. Actually, it looks a lot better in here than it does out here. Looks like a mammoth took a shit on it. Don't know what that means. So you power it on. See that light? Uh, it's not supposed to actually be powering on. It I swear it was broken a second ago. What the fuck? All right, well watch this though. Okay, yeah. So obviously that's not supposed to happen. What it was doing before was it was just shutting off as soon as I powered it on. So something's not right in there, clearly. Okay, there you go. That's what it was doing before. So you power it on, blue light comes on, and then crack. Crack. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on there. But you usually wait. So I just smacked it there again. Now it's turning on again. Very strange stuff. Usually that's a ribbon cable, which will not connect. Or it'll connect, but then it like hold on one sec. Hold on. It'll connect, but then any like movement like shorts it. So like I'm just gonna drop this and it'll probably turn off. Okay, well, uh, oh, well, there it goes. Okay, so not really sure what's going on here. Hopefully we can open this bad boy up and get some insight. This doesn't make much fucking sense. As you can see, now it's powering on. Smack it a few times, it's okay. Oh, but then I smack it again, goes off. So yeah. Who fucking knows what's going on there? We're gonna find out though. Don't you worry your sweet little heads. Want to make sure not to strip this, okay? Be very careful not to strip it. Because if you strip it, then you'll be a stripper. That's how that works. Okay. You don't want to strip. Don't be stripping. Okay. It's 2 screws. Gotta be firm. Okay, so that kind of just slipped a little bit. Gotta get a little jiggly jog, a little swiggity swoogity. Sometimes you gotta be a little rough, but firm. Okay, 3 screws. Okay, hold on, break time. Ah, okay, alright. 4 screws, almost. Okay, 5. Come on, you bastard. 6. Seven. Oh, whoops. Already got that one. 8. 9. Oh, don't forget about this one. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget. Here, let me try to give you a close up here. Can you see that? Right there? Hey. Both. Okay, good. My drinking fixed it. That one right there. Little bastard. He's a sneaky devil, that little screw. Tiny little screw. There he is. Okay. Now, this is very... Hold on. This is very important, okay? When you take this off, you want to start with the headphone jack, or on that side. You open it. Be very careful not to rip out the ribbon cables that are attached. So as you can see, oh, look at that. That's not right. Look at that. Can you guys see that? That's not supposed to be unplugged, ladies and gentlemen. I'm surprised it even turned on. I'm actually very confused right now. But what I was gonna say is this ribbon cable and this ribbon cable are attached to the back. And if you just rip this off, you're gonna have a bad time. So just boop and boop, and you're good. And now we can yeet that over there. Now, I don't really understand what's going on here. Actually, maybe I do. This 3DS would not turn on in 3D mode. Or it would turn on, sometimes it would shut off, but the 3D was non-functioning. So this is probably the 3D ribbon cable. Now, I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen, I kind of lied to you earlier. Other than these two tools and the mystery tools, we gotta use one more tool I forgot about. It's gonna be right over here on my spinny thingy. Here we go. Some tweezers. These are very important. Take off the rubber. Only do that in this context, not in others. Okay. Then what we want to do is gently pry open or pry up this ribbon cable clip here. There we go. And then we're gonna want to take this this ribbon cable. Well, no, I'm sorry, I forgot. You know the drill. Okay. Oh, well, okay. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. So here we go. Can you guys see that? Let me check. I know the lighting's not great, but you guys can suck my dick if you don't like it. Please. Okay. So just stick that in there. Okay. It's in. It's in. Now I'm gonna use my finger just to shove that bad boy back down. And now let's turn it back on and see if it works better. So now these are only for the triggers. These cables I was talking about earlier, they're for the triggers. But I don't like to just shove this bad boy back on to test it because I don't know what these are going to be mashing up against. So I am just going to go ahead and reconnect those. If I can't, there we go. Okay. We're going to take the battery, slide that back in. Then before we forget, we're going to do that. We don't need that shit. It's fine. Okay. Now, see if that fixed anything. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have done it. The 3D's working again. Now let's see if blunt force trauma will still turn off the device. Sorry, I don't know if you see that. Can you tell the 3D's on and off? Maybe you can, maybe you can't. I don't give a fuck, as I can tell. So let's smack this motherfucker. That's very promising, ladies and gentlemen. It's very good. Okay. Let's just to be safe, we're gonna close it. We're gonna flip it over. We're okay. We're making a mess with the screws. Let's move those back over there. Okay, we're gonna do that. Take this bad boy. Clip them back on. Shouldn't have put those two in. We just want to test to see if trauma, shock, is still going to turn this thing off like it was before. Just to be safe, we're simply going to... Okay, well, that's not what I wanted to do. That Yeah, that's don't do that. You guys watching at home, don't do what I just did because while the main device is okay, I can already tell that well I really need this after that. Fuck. So what we just did when I dropped that was this ribbon cable here that I warned you guys about earlier. Yeah, there it is. Just got torn off completely. Fuck. Just got ripped completely off. This is where it used to be. Right here, it used to attach right there. It just got ripped, so ripped that. Um, but by some miracle, the other one's okay still, so that's good. Um, yeah, I've got extras. They're cheap, but it still kind of sucks dig. You know what I mean? It kind of really sucks. But at least we solved one problem and we created another. Okay. Okay. Well, we're gonna do another test here. Except this time we're gonna go against what I said about plugging those cables in. We're gonna do that. Okay, it's not turning on. That's never good. Oh, okay, we're good. It's turning on. Okay, so this time instead of dropping it, we're just gonna hold it like this. And we're just gonna, ladies and gentlemen, we've done it. We fixed it. Now, we did fucking break this. But, you win some, you lose some. I got extras. Got a whole box. Cause I'm an MLG Pro. You know how it is. Just asking me to update. Oh, okay, I guess we're updating. Sure. I don't know. Well, I don't speak Ching Chong. I'm sorry. I don't. Um, but I still see this as a win because we fixed it and kind of running out of things to say here. Oh, system update complete. Up next on this channel, we didn't end up needing those mystery tools. I know I kind of thought we would need them. Those are those mystery tools. Here, I'll show you. Well, I'm not going to show you the mystery tools. That'd be boring. But the mystery tools here. Ignore that sound. These mystery tools here, they're my super backup for anything that really just is fucked. And I thought this bad boy was going to be completely fucked and not work, but hold on one sec. Oh, fuck. Put too much vodka in that one, boys. But, what would say? Well, let me fix that. Okay, here we go. We got some sparkling orange water. Go. Okay. All right, let's try it again. Hold on. Much better. My bad. All right. Sorry. Okay. So, anyway, what was I saying? You guys remember? Mystery tools. Yeah. So I thought I was gonna need the mystery tools today for a 3DS here. Turns out we don't need them. I'll save the mystery tools for next time, and then next time we'll probably need them. I'll find one that's really fucked up, and we'll probably need those to fix it. So next time, the next oh, the next video I do will probably be a 3DS modding speed run. That should be fun, you know, see how fast we can mod it and do some piracy, you know, you guys know piracy's great. I love me some piracy. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and shout outs to my sponsor again, Vodka. You know, love that shit. Thank you, Vodka, for making this video possible. If it wasn't for you, I would not have been able to find the motivation to make this video because I would have been sober and just not really felt like doing it. But you know, thank you, Vodka. Vodka. Yeah, there it is. Okay, and well, one more, just for the road for you guys. Yep, see? It's fine. It's fine. Keeps working. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I'm sorry, wait. Mm. Oh, and also, watch out for my face reveal. I know you guys have been asking for a face reveal. We're gonna have one pretty soon. And you guys are gonna freak out. You're not gonna expect me looking like the way I do. I know. Okay. All right. Thank you guys. I love you. And I'll see you the next time I make a YouTube video. Wait.